This is my neighbor's MS-311, and he was using it, and it backfired real loud, and then it wouldn't run after that. So he took it apart, took the covers off, and saw the spark plug shot out, and now he's needing a whole engine rebuild. I just got the cover unscrewed, and this saw, it shot out so hard it stripped out all the aluminum here, so I gotta put a new cylinder on it. First, I'm gonna start off with pulling out the exhaust plug so I can get access to the screws so I can unscrew them to get the exhaust off. I got a screwdriver and a ratchet. Let's go get these 2 bolts out, and then I'll be able to pull the exhaust off. There we go. There's that one. I got the exhaust off, now I gotta get the carburetor off. Air filter. And I get those 2 bolts. I got the screwdriver I needed. Got the carburetor bolts undone. Now I gotta unhook the wires here on it for the kill switch. Got the wires undone, now I can pull the carburetor off. There we go. Now I gotta unbolt it. There's a couple screws down in here I gotta undo. And one more right down there. I can get to it. There we go. I got the rest of the carburetor all took off, and that's part 1 of rebuilding a steel MS-311.